Hey guys, how's it going? Quickly, that's how I feel right now. I have been so stressed out. My brain is dead. There is a big reason why I have been stressed out, and I'm going to show you right now. So, probably put it in the title of the video already, but if you guys are struggling and your Photoshop has for some reason just said, no, we're not saving today, it's not happening. If basically, if your Photoshop is saying it can't save, it won't save as, it won't export, it won't do any of that stuff, then I've got a solution for you that I just figured out. I don't know how it's working or why. So basically, if you've typed in this issue anywhere else, I am about to repeat to you probably what you've already heard, but this is only just so you know what the first method is. But the first method does work, I think, but the only issue is that you have to restart your Photoshop, which we can't do, guys. We can't do it because we're going to lose all our data. I'm going to tell you that first method, which you've already heard, but ignore that because I'm going to be showing you the true fix to this, so don't you worry, guys. You go in privacy and security, the privacy tab, and then you go into accessibility. You allow Photoshop in there, you add it to that list, and you also add it to full access to disk and file sharing. But if you're like me, you did that while you were working on a project like I am now, and you realize that it only actually works when you restart Photoshop, but we can't do that because we're going to lose our work. So I've got a solution. So maybe if you haven't troubleshooted already, this is a project I was doing. Let's go to file, and let's just save it as something. Oh, I can't. I can't save because it's a new project as well, so it doesn't make sense. It cannot export either, that won't work, but we can guess what we can do. We can share it. Okay, so sharing, I don't know how it works, but you can pick AirDrop. I've tried and that works successfully, and Mail, which works. I'm guessing all these would work too. So if we go into Mail now, this should open up the Mail tab, and we have the full already saved image here, which is good. And if you double click it, then it brings it up as a file, which you could then save. So yeah, guys, anyway, quick fix. Yeah, make sure to subscribe for more. Anyway, I was struggling with this, but here's the troubleshoot for it.